Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to answer income and tax questions on the 2025-2026 FAFSA. So this part can feel a little tricky, but it's super important because it's what decides how much financial aid you might get. So for 2025-2026 FAFSA, you'll be using your 2023 tax information. So a lot of people mix this up and try to use current numbers, but FAFSA always looks back 2 years. So remember, 2023 is the year you'll need. The easiest way to get that info in is by using the IRS Direct Data Exchange. So instead of typing in everything yourself, FAFSA can pull your tax details straight from the IRS. It's faster and it helps you avoid mistakes. Now, what if your family's income has changed since 2023? Maybe you earn less now. That's okay. You still put in the 2023 numbers, but after you submit, you can talk to your school's financial aid office. They can review your situation and sometimes make adjustments. So if your parents didn't file taxes or if you're independent, FAFSA will guide you through that too. You just need to report what income you had, like from W-2s or other earnings. The key is to be accurate and honest. Every number you put in affects something called your student aid index or SAI. That's what schools use to figure out your financial aid, so double check your info. Mistakes can slow things down. And also last tip, I don't malto. And also last tip, don't guess. If something's confusing, reach out to your financial aid office. So that's a quick overview. Use your 2023 tax info, let the IRS transfer it if you can, and ask for help if you need it. Hope this makes filling out your FAFSA a little less stressful.